वो कैसे? हाउ इज दैट? हाउ इज दैट? क्या करना है? What is the plan? What is the plan? कितने बजे? At what time? At what time? कैसे कहना है? How to say? How to say? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? Where to go? कुछ समय पहले. A while ago. A while ago. कभी कभार. Once in a while. Once in a while. थोड़े समय में. In a little while. In a little while. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. At most. At most. किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? कुछ समय के लिए. For a little while. For a little while. परेशान मत हो. Don't worry. Don't worry. किस बारे में? About what? About what? किस तरह से? In what way? In what way? थोड़ी देर में. In a while. In a while. देर मत करो. Don't be late. Don't be late. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. बेशक. Undoubtedly. Undoubtedly. भरोसा रखो. Keep trust. Keep trust. फिर मिलेंगे. See you. See you. मैं कहता हूँ. I say. I say. बिल्कुल नहीं. Of course not. Of course not. मैंने कहा था. I said. I said. ध्यान से देखो. Look carefully. Look carefully. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit straight. Sit straight. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Follow me. काफी है. Enough. Enough. मजे करें. Enjoy. Enjoy. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. सच है. This is the truth. This is the truth. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm going. I'm going. काफी नहीं है. Not enough. Not enough. जाहिर सी बात है. Obviously. Obviously. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. उसे बोलने दो. Let him speak. Let him speak. दोबारा नहीं. Not again. Not again. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I have to go. I have to go. आराम से. Take it easy. Take it easy. लगे रहो. Stay on. Stay on. इसे खुद से करो. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. हाँ ऐसा ही. Yes it is. Yes it is. बिल्कुल नहीं. No way. No way. इसी तरह. Similarly. Similarly. या फिर बोल सकते हैं likewise. Likewise. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. गिर जाओगे. You will fall. You will fall. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. क्यों नहीं? Why not? Why not? बहुत हुआ. A lot happened. A lot happened. वो कैसी है? How is she? How is she? जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. ये कैसा है? How is it? How is it? सच में. Really? Really? दूसरा ले लो. Take another one. Take another one. मैं बीमार हूँ. I am sick. I am sick. हमेशा की तरह. As always. As always. क्या हाल है? How are you? How are you? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? आलू छील दो. Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. संतरा छील दो. Peel the orange. Peel the orange. बिस्तर लगा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. ढक्कन खोलो. Open the cover. Open the cover. नल खोल दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. नल बंद कर दो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. चादर बिछा दो. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. धीमे बोलो. Speak softly. Speak softly. धीरे बोलो. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. तेज बोलो. Speak quickly. Speak quickly. ऊंचा बोलो. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. खाना लगा दो. Serve the food. Serve the food. दबे पांव चलो. Walk on tiptoe. Walk on tiptoe. उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take time. Let him take time. आंख मत मारो. Do not wink. Do not wink. इशारा मत करो. Do not gesture. Do not gesture. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. जिद मत करो. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. धूप सेक लो. Bask in the sun. Bask in the sun. रोटियां बेल लो. Roll the chapatis. Roll the chapatis. आटा गूंथ लो. Knead the flour. Knead the flour. रोटियां सेक लो. Bake the chapatis. Bake the chapatis. जूते पहन लो. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. जूते उतार लो. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. शर्ट पहन लो. Wear the shirt. Wear the shirt. उसे विदा कर दो. See him off. See him off. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. मुझे नहाने दो. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. जाकर सो जाओ. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. फोन आ रहा है. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. मशीन चालू करो. Switch on the machine. Switch on the machine. मशीन चलाओ. Operate the machine. Operate the machine. AC बंद करो. Switch off the AC. Switch off the AC. AC on करो. Switch on the AC. Switch on the AC. सुबह हो गई है. It's morning. It's morning. कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. तुम्हारा जो मन करे वो करो. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. तुम्हें आना पड़ेगा. You have to come. You have to come. उसे देखना पड़ेगा. He'll have to see. He'll have to see. मैं समझना चाहूँगा. I would like to understand. I would like to understand. मैं देखना चाहूँगा. I would like to see. I would like to see. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. I want to know. I want to know. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet. I want to meet. तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोचो. Think whatever you want. Think whatever you want. क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? कितनी बेहुदगी है. What nonsense. What nonsense. लाइन में खड़े हो जाओ. Stand in the queue. Stand in the queue. समय समाप्त हुआ. Time is up. Time is up. जरा साइड में हो जाओ. Please move aside. Please move aside. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. धूप में बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out in the sun. Don't go out in the sun. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मैं सुबह से बाहर हूँ. I am out since morning. I am out since morning. हिलो मत. Don't move. Don't move. नहाने का समय हो गया. It's time to take a bath. It's time to take a bath. चुपचाप खड़े रहो. Stand quietly. Stand quietly. या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं stand still. Stand still. बिल्कुल अभी. Right away. Right away. या फिर बोलेंगे exactly now. Exactly now. अपने कपड़े बदल लो. Change your clothes. Change your clothes. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. उसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send him to me. Send him to me. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मेरा यकीन करो. Believe me. Believe me. मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. जितना मुमकिन हो. As much as possible. As much as possible. मैं नहीं कह सकता. I can't say. I can't say. कोई अंदाजा नहीं. No idea. No idea. कितने पैसे हुए? How much money? How much money? बस हिम्मत मत हारो. Just don't give up. Just don't give up. बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late. It's too late. क्या समय हुआ है? What's the time? What's the time? मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. अपना काम ध्यान से करो. Do your work carefully. Do your work carefully. भगवान पर भरोसा रखो. Trust God. Trust God. जल्दी वापस आना. Come back soon. Come back soon. जरा सब्र रखो. Just be patient. Just be patient. बड़ों का आदर करो. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. अपने बाल बना लो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. ऐसी बात नहीं करते. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. ख्याल रखना. Take care. Take care. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. बकवास मत करो. Do not talk nonsense. Do not talk nonsense. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Do not disturb me. Do not disturb me. थोड़ा इंतजार करो. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. चिंता मत करो. Do not worry. Do not worry. सावधान रहो. Be careful. Be careful. गिर मत जाना. Do not fall. Do not fall. सिर्फ एक सेकंड या एक पल. Just a moment. Just a moment. जल्दी आओ. Come quickly. Come quickly. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. मैं समझ गया. I see. I see. मिलते रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. बढ़िया है. Sounds good. Sounds good. सीधा मुद्दे पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. पागल मत बनो. Do not be silly. Do not be silly. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. बिल्कुल वैसे ही. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. एक बार और. Once more. Once more. लगे रहो. Keep it up. Keep it up. देर मत करो. Do not delay. Do not delay. पहली नजर में. At first sight. At first sight. जल्दी मिलेंगे। See you soon. See you soon. दोबारा मिलेंगे। See you again. See you again. दिमाग शांत रखो। Be cool minded. Be cool minded. अपने मन की बात कहो। Speak your mind. Speak your mind. जुबान पर लगाम लगाओ। Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. जुबान संभाल कर। Mind your language. Mind your language. अपने तरीके से करो। Do it your way. Do it your way. हताश मत हो। Do not be desperate. Do not be desperate. जरूरत से ज्यादा। More than enough. More than enough. इसके बारे में सोचो। Think about it. Think about it. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Do not make me angry. Do not make me angry. उसे विदा करो। See him off. See him off. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. बहाने मत बनाओ। Do not make excuses. Do not make excuses. निराश मत हो। Do not get disappointed. Do not get disappointed. दफा हो जाओ। Get lost. Get lost. उसे जाने दो। Let him go. Let him go. ऐसा मत करो। Do not do this. Do not do this. भाड़ में जाओ। Go to hell. Go to hell. मुझे दोष मत दो। Do not blame me. Do not blame me. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नई सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।